How's it going, guys? We're back home on the mountain in Arkansas. I'm here in the garage, which is still filthy from the remodel this spring. I gotta get this cleaned up. I'm working on a couple little fixes. There weren't many things that went wrong on the trip this time around, which is awesome. There was a power switch for the fridge that went out like on the last day. And so I bought some of these switches. I'm gonna replace those. I had like a bank of 3 switches that was all fed by one power supply, but I bought 3 of these like toggle switches. Super cool. I think these are gonna be awesome. I'll walk you through that. I got a little upgrade for the Starlink too. Mostly just wanted to give you an update on the channel and what to expect, what's coming up. But you saw the title. You can come camp with us next month. I'm really excited. So we've been invited to participate in the Creator Corral at the Overland of America event in Oklahoma next month in September. So we're gonna be hanging out, checking stuff out, shooting some video, and you guys can attend too. And in fact, we've got a discount code for you, and you can use code WILDER10 to get 10% off your passes and camping reservations for the expo. For everything except the cabins and the RV spaces. They do have electric hookups and cabins. Those are full price. But we can get you 10% off everything else. So that's code WILDER10. And that's going to be September 12th through 14th in Jay, Oklahoma. So we'll see you there if you want to come. Now, you know we like build projects. We will have our next build project with us at the show in Oklahoma. So if you come see us at the show, you'll get the first peek at it. The rest of you will have to wait, but not long. The build's already started. I'm excited about it. Now I gotta make a cover for these switches, some sort of switch plate to put them on the wall. Guys, who wired this van? There was some sketchy shit back here. Alright, hopefully we have some working systems. This should be water pump. They're already pressurized though. Is this water pump? No, that's fridge. Heard it turn on. How's it going, Paige Butt?
How's it going?
Pretty good. You gonna do me a favor?
Oh, those are cute.
Aren't those cool?
What's the favor?
Okay, flip it. Water pump.
I turned it off.
Thank you.
I need a favor from you.
What's that?
I need you to come put a thermometer in this chicken.
Okay.
Because you'll know the best place to poke it, you know?
The thickest spot, but I'll come find it for you.
You're better at it.
See how these like screw off, these like nuts come off?
Yeah.
I can just put holes in like a piece of cedar.
Oh, and only that comes
And only
through.
the little dip switch will be sticking out, and it'll be right there, and we can label it however we want.
Oh, how nice.
No labels at all. And I'll just get it where the off and on is right. But
Nice.
cool, huh?
Yeah.
Now I've got one more little upgrade I'm working on back here. I actually had already installed it the other day just to test it out, but I had hardwired it into our battery. And that is a little 48 volt converter for our Starlink. So right now the Starlink, or previously on our last trip, the Starlink was run to an extension cord that was plugged into an outlet back here, and I had to turn the inverter on to run the Starlink. And the inverter draws a lot of phantom power when it's running. It's not perfectly efficient. So the Starlink was, if we only had the inverter on just to run the Starlink, it was using twice as much power as we needed to. And so that made us not want to run it overnight and things like that. Well now, with this little converter, it's way more efficient than running a full inverter. It's got a little pigtail on it that we plug the Starlink into. It's already plugged in up there. And now I'm wiring it to this third switch, and so we'll have a switch that turns on the Starlink without turning on the inverter, which is so cool. Come on. That should be the off position. Alright, Starlink's off. Flip our switch. Nice. So that's all wired up exactly how we want it. Bueno. Perfect. Nice. These tabs all fucking fit. Okay. Split. You split. You split. I'm not putting any more in you because you're splitting. Okay, whatever. I gotta call it. All right, we got our switches all finished up right on time because I needed to head out for a little road trip today. Towing a U-Haul in the back, taking some equipment up to our main office for my company up in Kansas City. I'm gonna be on the road for a few days. Anyway, I just wanted to take a second to update you guys. We've got a really exciting fall season coming up here on the channel. I don't even know where to start. Reminder, you can come camp with us next month, September, at the Overland of America event. We'll be in the Creator Corral, making videos and hanging out. And we will have our next build with us at the show. So coming up this fall, new build series, new project. We already have it. It's at home. It's on Wilder Mountain. So I'm excited to unveil that. That'll be coming out on the channel soon. If you can't come out and see us, you'll see it then. And we've also got 2 major life-changing updates for the van here. And so I wanna see how close everyone can get. You can go to the comments. I'm gonna give you some hints, okay, on what our next build's gonna be. Okay, the next build, the hint's gonna be non-directional tread. Okay, you can look that up. So let me know in the comments what you think the next build's gonna be. And then as far as the 2 major upgrades to the van, one of them, the hint is, it's gonna use a lot of power. And then the second hint for the second van project is bigger. Let me know in the comments, what do you think the projects are? What do you think our next build is? It'll all be revealed on the channel very soon this fall. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to go catch up if you haven't picked up on it. There's a new channel, our vlog channel, our whole summer of adventure here in the van. Paige and Henry and I, we vlogged the whole trip. I think there's 10 videos in that series. Be sure to go check out the new channel. Subscribe over there if you haven't already. I know it probably shows up in your feed for a lot of you regular subscribers, but do go subscribe to it because it really helps the channel grow and get some exposure over there on the vlog side. Thanks everybody. We'll see you soon.